Hello, this is Geraldine Wilkins, and you are in the right place. The right place for machine quilting courses, for free motion quilting and ruler quilting. Are you frustrated and tired of struggling with free motion and ruler quilting? It can be a challenge. Part of that challenge is not being equipped with the right tools and techniques and practices. It's an art, but it's also work. But you don't have to be afraid of either one. You might say, I'm not an artist. Well, I want it to be simple and easy. Over time, you know this because you are a quilter. You piece quilts. When you first started, you didn't know what a 1/4 inch seam was, and you had to practice 1/4 inch piecing accuracy. Then you went from there to piecing curves or partial seams. You're here because you want to learn how to free motion quilt your own projects or ruler quilt them. And I'm hoping some of the courses you find here on Living Water Quilters Stitching Lane Society will help you in your goals. From beginner, intermediate, and advanced quilting techniques, there's something here for everyone. Take a class. Better yet, come to my Quilt Conversations live. Watch some of my YouTube videos to get a feel of my teaching style. Come to the live conversation every Friday, 7 p.m. and be a part of the community of quilters who all want to quilt their own projects, but not with frustration, but with fun and enjoyment. I teach techniques that become yours for life. I want to share with you those things that I've learned and put into practice that help me have repeatable success. It's not a gamble. I have put together a process that works on every single quilt, and I want to share that with you. So I hope to see you either in a course or YouTube in a live session or in the comments in the recorded videos on YouTube. Thanks for stopping by, and I hope to see you soon.